Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you are well and have an amazing day. It's Tuesday, March 5th, 2022. It's around 1 p.m. and the temperature is 31 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am walking across Kabaraya Pagoda Road in Ledan Township, Yangon, Myanmar. Let's walk. This is one of the busiest center in Yangon. This is the business center of Yangon city. As you can see on the right side, there are some high-rise building. That is Hotel Melia. This is a luxurious hotel. There are also Myanmar Center in this road. It's a bright sunny day and perfect weather condition today. Nice gentle breeze blowing around. As you can see on the right side, this is Melia Yangon. It is one of the luxury hotel in Yangon. There are lots of vehicles moving across this road. It's quite busy atmosphere here in this road now. This is the modern part of Yangon city. There are lots of newly constructed building here. On the left side it's Ina Lake. It is one of the most tourist attraction in Yangon. There are lots of green trees on both sides of the road. It enhances the beauty of the city. On the right side it's taxi stand. There are lots of taxis beside the road. This is Myanpath Center Tower. It is one of the tallest building in Yangon city. As you can see, there are lots of corporate offices in this building. As you can see on the left side, there are lots of palm trees in a row. On the right side, this is Myanmar Plaza. It is one of the leading shopping mall in Yangon, as you can see. This is Myanmar's Plaza. There are some street vendors in front of Ina Lake. On the left side it's Ina Lake. Let's go there and see the atmosphere. This is Ina Lake. It is one of the beautiful lake in Yangon. It is nice place for people who love nature and greenery, and also it's a good place for walking and jogging. People come here for recreation. This is the atmosphere of the lake. As you can see, there are lots of green trees surrounded in the lake. There are lots of palm trees. It's a well-maintained lake indeed. This is a beautiful scenic view of the lake. It refreshes the mind. People come here to enjoy their spare times. That is Melia Hotel Yangon, as you can see. People are trying to catch fishes in the lake. This is the scenic view of the lake. It's a mind-boggling beauty of the lake. People come here with friends and chit-chat with each other while enjoying the nature. This part of Yangon city is really well maintained. As most of corporate offices and diplomatic missions are located in this area, this road and the area is very well maintained and secured. This is really a nice place for walking and jogging in the morning and afternoon. Over there are some bus stops. As you can see, people are getting right into the bus. These are some street vendors selling various kinds of stuffs such as cold drinks and betel leaves, some Myanmar traditional food. Now I am walking across Kabaraya Pagoda Road. This is the footpath beside Kabaraya Pagoda Road. This is a bus stop beside Kabaraya Pagoda Road. Bus come here and stop. That is Hotel Sedona. It is also one of the luxurious hotel in Yangon city. On the left side, this is Ina Lake, as you can see. This is one of the busiest road in Yangon city, and this is the center point of Yangon city. This is the modern part and business center of Yangon. This is Myanmar Plaza shopping mall. As you can see, the mall premises is well decorated on the eve of Water Festival Thinjian, which will be held from 13th April 2022. Vehicles are moving across the road, maintaining the traffic rules and regulation of the city. The traffic system of Yangon city is well organized. People strictly follow the rules and regulation of traffic. As you can see, that high-rise building is Hotel Sedona. It is one of the luxurious hotel in Yangon. The weather is very warm This is a comfortable weather indeed. As you can see, this is Hotel Sedona. It's a wonderfully architectural design of the building. Over there, that is Myanmar Center. As you can see, this is Myanmar Center, Myanmar Plaza, and Myanmar Center Tower is located here. That is Myanmar Center Tower. Most of corporate offices are located here. People are crossing the road, maintaining the traffic laws. It's a wonderful atmosphere in this road now. This is the premises of Myanmar Plaza. It is well decorated on the eve of Thinjian festival. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.